Welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to close all positions in MetaTrader 5 through Python. So let's begin. To start, we need to import the MetaTrader 5 library using import MetaTrader 5 as MT5. Then we need to connect to MetaTrader 5 using mp5.initialize. To get the list of open positions, we use mt5.positionsget. As you can see on the right side, I already have some open positions on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So let's run this. And as you can see, MT5 positions get will return a list of positions. Here we see, for example, trade position with ticket 8654. This should be this one. And all the way down to our Litecoin positions down here. So next thing we need to do is to define a function that will close our position. So this function, I will call it close position, and the input parameter will be a position object. So basically it will be this one single row that contains all the data such as ticket, volume, symbol name, order type, etc. To close a position, we need to know the current price of the symbol in order to close it. So we will create a variable tick and we'll use mt5.symbolinfotick to get the current price of the position. And we are using the symbol attribute to get the position name. So position symbol, if our trade was on BTCUSD, it would be BTCUSD in this case. Then we create a request dictionary that can later be passed to order sent. So this dictionary here will be sent to the platform to process our order. So the action is mt5.tradeActionDeal, which means that we want to open or close a trade. The position ID is the position ticket, so it is the number of our open position. And then we need a symbol name, which is position.symbol, and the position.volume, it is this column here. Now, type is specifying if it's a buy or a sell order. So if we previously bought with our position, in order to close a buy position, we need to sell. So if the position type is equal to 1, which in MT5 means sell, we want to buy. Otherwise, if the position type or if we bought in the platform, we then want to sell. Then we want to buy or sell for the current price. So we use the ask price if it's a buy order. If it's a bid price, then we use a sell order. Deviation specifies how much maximum slippage you want to receive. Magic number is the unique identifier of the symbol, and we're using the command Python script close. We specify the type time, which is good till cancelled, and here type filling is immediate or cancel. This entire dictionary here is then sent to MT5 or sent, and let's run this. Now our function has been defined, and to close all positions in the platform, we put the list of open positions that we have defined here inside a loop. So for position in positions, so we are iterating through in each individual row here. And this position will be passed to our close position function that will close our trade one by one. So let's run this and see what happens. Make sure to also watch the right side platform. Now we see that one by one our positions are being closed, and this is how we close all positions in the platform using Python. For more trading with Python videos, you can check out my playlist in the descriptions. You can also find the link to the code in the descriptions as well. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.